Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 8. First of all, welcome to my period, and I know you are all very well. So beta, today our topic is to solve the exercises of lesson 9. To solve the exercises of lesson 9, very simple. We have already learned direct and indirect. So now today our topic is indirect commands, means indirect of direct and indirect of narration, imperative sentences. Right beta? Imperative sentences. Now first, and open your textbook and page number 54. Indirect commands. Topic आहे असांजी indirect commands. Okay, right, means imperative sentences. Okay, now some rules, some changing. Okay, now change the reporting verb. Change the first rule. 1. Rule number 1, change the reporting verb. Now beta, change the reporting verb. Reporting verb, say or tell. Say or tell, change into following verbs. Into following verbs according to the sense. According to the sense. Right. Number 2, said to change. Said to change. Requested, ordered. Requested, ordered, advised. Told, asked, etc. Okay, now change the imperative mood. Change the imperative mood. Change the imperative mood into the infinitive. Infinitive. Okay, right beta, infinitive. Now we have add to before the simple verb to form its infinitive. But add infinitive means go, walk, talk, to go, to walk, to talk. Now open page number 54. Indirect commands. Go away. Now last. We add the person to whom. We add the person to whom the order was given him. The order was given him. Okay, right. Now beta indirect commands. Go away, he said. Go away, he said. Now examples. Go away, he said. Right. Now पुत्र हिनन में हिनन चेंजिंग थींदी. तव्हांखे पहिरियों बि ॿुधाए चुकी आहियां पुत्र, हर रूल सेखारे चुकी आहियां. डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट में कहिड़ी चेंजिंग थींदी आहे. सो नाउ हिन में हीअ पॉइंट ॿुधाई पुत्र. टू एड पर्सन टू होम ऑर्डर वॉज गिवन हिम. राइट पुत्र. ही सेड and said change into according to sense. Told, ordered, requested, command, forbade, many more advised. So now go away, he said. Right. This same his charge same wala putra command aaya putra. Right. So he told, said change into told. So he told him and imperative mood go away change into infinitive. infinitive ठाहिण लाइ पुट साईं टू जी नीड खपनि, ज़रूरत हूंदी आहे पुट. राइट. सो गो टू गो काॾे अवे. अची वई पुट. say or tell change into according to the sense. Right putra. Said change into requested, ordered, advised, told. So now he told him to go away. Direct and indirect. Now this examples of an indirect command shows the three changes usually made. Number first, three changes. First, the verb given the order becomes infinitive to go. Three changes in this example. Have in this examples which first the verb giving the order. First the verb giving the order becomes an infinitive verb go. So to go. Okay. Number second change is the introductory. तारुफी पुत्र. The introductory verb said becomes told, ordered, etc. Okay, secondary rule beta. Now number third, we add the person to whom the order was given him. Okay. Now beta, exercise number A. Exercise number A, change into indirect speech using the introductory verbs given. Introductory verbs putra dinavayan, tarufi jeke verb ayin dinavayan, right? Stay there, he said, he told her. He told her to stay there. Number second, stop it at once. He shouted. He ordered them to stop at once. Okay. Give it to me, he said. He told him to give. Right, putra, give kyasan to give me kandase. To give it. Put it there, he said. She told the man to put it there. Now number 5, play us a tune. They said. They asked her to play them a tune. Very simple beta. Now negative commands are formed in the same way with not added. Don't go away, he said. He told him not to go away. Infinitive खां पहिरियों असांखे यहाँ है मतलब जेको मेन वर्ब आहे उन खां पहिरियों असांखे नॉट यूज़ करणी आहे. वेरी सिंपल. डोंट गो अवे, he said. He told him not to go away. Change into indirect speech using his introductory words is told, ordered, begged, etc. Don't do that. मना या से न कयो. She begged him not to do that. Don't waste time. They ordered him not to waste time. Okay. And other examples you solve and other exercise you solve yourself. Remaining sentences. Will and shall. Do you know what is will and shall? What are will or shall? Oh, yes, helping verb of future simple future tense. Right? In indirect statements, will and shall often become would. Indirect यानी कि narration में will and shall change थींदी आहे. शामी पुत्र जंहिं जुमिले में तव्हांखे डायरेक्ट में विल या शल हुजे त इनडायरेक्ट उन में छा यूज़ कंदो वुड. व्हाट बेटा? वुड. आई शैल डू इट. आई शैल डू इट. ही सेड दैट. he would shall change into would. He would do it. You will hear from me. You will hear from me. He said that. He said that they would hear from him. They will come again. He said that they would come again. This is also true of indirect questions. Will you help me? Will you help me? He asked her if she would help him. Shall I be happy there? She wondered if she would be happy there. The same change takes place when a polite request is made in the form of a question. Will you please remove your hat? He asked her if she would remove her hat. Or we could. He politely requested her to remove her hat. Can, may and might. can change into could, may change into might, must change into had to. The changes may depend on the meaning of the sentence, but the most usual changes are could, might and had to. I can jump 6 feet. He said that he could jump 6 feet. He said that he could jump 6 feet. Can I come? He asked if he could go. Can change into go. I may be a little late. He said that he might be a little late. May I help you? He asked if he might help her. I must go home now. He said that he had to go home then. Now change into then. Change into indirect speech using any suitable introductory words. Now number first, I shall never speak to you again. I shall never speak to you again. She told him that she would never speak to him again. Now beta, page number 57, this. The prefix this you have met before. It gives a word in opposite meaning agree, means disagree. It may sometimes cause difficulty in spelling, see above, but not if you remember that it is prefix added to a word. Disagree, dissatisfied, dissatisfied. Now beta, page number 60. Exercises of lesson 10. Indirect speech journal. We have already seen how pronouns change in indirect speech. Usually they become third person. We have already seen how pronouns change in indirect speech. Usually they become third person. That is, I becomes he or she. That is, I becomes he or she. We becomes they, etc. May, mine, your, may, mine becomes his, her or hers. Your and yours become their and theirs. Our and ours become their and theirs. I have lost my books and yours too, he told her. He told her that he had lost his book and hers book. I, his, yours, hers. Okay. If you will lend as your books, you can have ours, they said. They said if they would lend them their books, they could have theirs. Other changes that will take place are this, become, that, this, those, here, there, now, then, today, the day, tomorrow, the next day, या following day, yesterday, the day before, या previous day, next year, the next year, या the following years, last year, the year before, ago before. These changes are not difficult to understand if you remember that in indirect speech, we are usually reporting what somebody else said in a different place and at an earlier time. Here are some examples. I am happy to be here today. He said that he was happy to be here, change into there on that day, today change into that day. We shall play the game again tomorrow. They said that shall change into would. They would play the game again the next day. Tomorrow means next day, yeah, tomorrow next day. These are the results this year. Next year may be different. He said that those were the results that year. The following year they might be different. You must not think that verbs, pronouns, adverbs, etc. always change. It depends upon a meaning. As you already know, after introductory verbs in present or future tense, there is no change in the verb tense in direct speech. In indirect speech, I am learning English. He says that he is learning English. He has done it before. He says that he has done it before. We are grateful. They will tell him that they are grateful. In the some way, other changes depend on the meaning. For example, suppose that Zain said to Zia, I have met you before, I know your father. If Zia were telling someone else about this, he would say, he told me that he had met me before and that he knew my father. Adverbs to may not change. The person who is repeating the statement may do so in the same place and at the same time as the first speaker. For example, Zain might say, we are playing against Estiger's school today on this football pitch. If Zia were also in the team and also standing on the football pitch and the match had not been played yet, he might say to someone else, Zia says that we are playing against Estiger's school today on this pitch. Okay, so now beta, today our topic have finished. Tomorrow I will meet you new topic. So thank you so much, and tomorrow I will meet you new topic.